Welcome back once more to my room. I'm about to open this beautiful thing. I have 3 things, but let's start with the poster. I did a reaction of the photos in my channel. You can check it out. So I know this poster
because it's one of the pictures, if I'm not wrong. But let's see it.
Yeah, it's the one I already see. It's really pretty with the feathers flying, and you know, there's all of them right there. Well, so that's the first. The second thing, that is the smallest thing, and it's actually a present. They told me this came with the album. I think it may be because they ordered a lot of albums. I mean, there were 3 boxes, as you already seen. So maybe they get this as a reward. It puts Map of the Soul 7, and it has like stickers right here to, you know, to use it as a bracelet. I don't want to use it. Maybe I'm gonna put it here. And of course, the most important thing, I have to say, this album is really big. It's not heavy, but ooh, there's something inside. I can listen to it.
Okay.
I just don't know what it comes inside. I haven't seen any unboxings of this album because I didn't want any spoilers. Now that I have it here, finally I can open it. So let's do it. Ooh, it's nice to the touch. It reminds me to the same texture as Map of the Soul Persona that is right there. That's my first baby, and that's my second baby, and this is my third baby. Quite a difference in size. The CD comes here. It looks lonely. It's like just a really big box, and then in the middle just a tiny CD. I would say the most important thing for me, apart of course of everything, but you know, I'm really love to find out which member I got in my photo card. I want to find the photo card in case, you know, I just oh I saw it. You're gonna see it first, okay? I don't know why, but something tells me it's Jimin. Maybe I'm a genius, or no. Okay, I'm gonna save it for later. Okay, we have here the notes. Of course, everything is in Korean, and you know, one day I will be able to understand everything. For now, I will just need to read the notes online. Ooh, what is this? Oh, this must be the book of the songs. Yeah. Map of the Soul Persona, Make It Right, James Boo, etc. And here it must be the thank you letters. Yeah, thanks to is the thanks to from RM, from Jimin, from B. Is this kind of a mini poster of the 7? Oh no, I know what it is. I saw an interview with the designer of the albums, and every single 7 in the cover of the albums is different. So if I'm not wrong, some of them have like more curves and others have more straight lines. It's not so visible to the eye, but you can tell if you know about those details. Map of the Soul 7. There's all the signatures of them. I didn't expect this. Which one is Jungkook? Let me see. That one. I think this is gonna go straight here. Yeah. Perfect, you see? No way! It comes with stickers! What kind of hair is this? Okay, that's new. That's completely new. Oh, wow. I'm the kind of person, when I like something too much, I don't use it. So I don't think I will be able to take any of these stickers outside because, you know, it would be like destroying this, and I don't want to. What kind of wigs are these? Especially, oh my god, especially RM. And then JK is just with a ribbon. It's like You don't touch my hair. More things. More things. Ooh, ooh.
Come on, get out. Get out. Get out. There.
I've never seen something like this before. Oh, it comes with a sticker, you know, a 7. Take this out. Don't tell me these are pictures, individual pictures, not in a book. Yes, it is. What? It's like a magazine of BTS pictures. This paper is really thin. Oh, ooh. Wow. Oh my god, Hobby. That's an intense look. The next one. Oh. And behind is Hobby. Now is Suga. Oh my god, Suga looks like a baby here. Oh. Okay. Arm. Heck no. This is a really thin and delicate paper, and I'm really scared of just breaking this. Suga on the back. Jimin. Jimin. And at the back is I love his curly hair. I'm a fan of his curly hair. This is B and Jen. And here in the back is Jimin. I would say this is a new version I haven't seen of, you know, all together, because it's kind of similar to the poster I have, but it's not the same. They are all sitting down and looking, almost everyone looking up. And B. And finally, okay, so that's the pictures for this version 1 of Map of the Soul 7. I would say the one that surprised me the most is this one, but because of the signatures here behind, I find this 1/7 really also really interesting. I think what they wanted to show us with this, like their design, the behind the scenes work in making the packaging for this album. Okay, so now is the moment to reveal the member that I got in my photo card. I said it's Jimin, right? I would say as my backup is Jungkook, but you know, moment of truth. Knew it! I mean, I wish I had Jungkook, but anyways, who cares? I'm happy with everything. Oh, but look at him! He has like a crown of white feathers and his face. So that's everything for this video. I really enjoyed doing it, and you know, hopefully I will have more unboxings because I want to buy more albums. And in case you have a Map of the Soul 7 album, like which photo card did you get? Because I mean, I love to share my experiences with other armies, so yeah, feel free to comment whatever you want in the comments. So I hope you like it. Please give a like, and I see you in the next video. So bye, see you next time.